never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
His ideas. Undeterred, Howard took a bold step. In 1985, he left Starbucks and started his own company, Il Giornale, to bring his vision to life. Raising money for the business wasn't easy. Howard knocked on over 200 doors, pitching his dream to potential investors. Many turned him down, doubting the viability of a coffeehouse-focused business in the United States. But Howard's passion and persistence eventually convinced enough investors, and Il Giornale was born. The concept was an instant hit. Customers loved the welcoming atmosphere and high-quality coffee. By 1987, Howard was ready to take a bigger leap. He bought Starbucks from its original owners for $3.8 million, merging it with Il Giornale. Under Howard's leadership, Starbucks began to evolve from a small Seattle coffee company into something much larger. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. Howard believed that Starbucks wasn't just selling coffee, it was selling an experience. He focused on creating stores that felt like a third place, a space between home and work where people could relax and connect. This idea resonated with customers, and Starbucks quickly began to expand across the United States. Howard's leadership was characterized by his unwavering commitment to both product quality and employee well-being. Having experienced his father's struggles as a worker without benefits, Howard introduced unheard-of policies for a company of Starbucks' size. He provided health insurance and stock options to all employees, even part-timers. He referred to them as partners rather than employees, fostering a culture of respect and collaboration. By the early 1990s, Starbucks had gone public, and its growth was exponential. The company's unique blend of premium coffee, community-centric stores, and a strong ethical foundation made it a favorite among consumers. Under Howard's guidance, Starbucks expanded globally, with stores opening in Europe, Asia, and beyond. Despite its success, Starbucks faced challenges. In 2008, amid the global financial crisis, the company struggled with declining sales and overexpansion. Howard, who had stepped down as CEO in 2000, returned to lead the company through its toughest times. His first move was to close hundreds of underperforming stores and refocus on Starbucks' core values: quality, customer experience, and innovation. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. Howard's leadership during this period was marked by tough decisions and bold moves. He shut down all Starbucks stores for a day to retrain baristas on making the perfect espresso, a symbolic gesture to reinforce the company's commitment to excellence. His efforts paid off, and Starbucks emerged stronger than ever. Beyond business, Howard Schultz has been a vocal advocate for social issues, including racial equality, veterans' rights, and education. Under his leadership, Starbucks became one of the most socially responsible companies in the world. Howard also initiated programs to hire veterans, offer college tuition for employees, and promote diversity and inclusion. In 2018, Howard stepped down as executive chairman of Starbucks, leaving behind a legacy of innovation, compassion, and resilience. Today, Starbucks boasts over 33,000 stores worldwide and generates billions in revenue annually. But for Howard, the journey wasn't just about building a business. It was about creating opportunities and inspiring others to dream big. Howard Schultz's life story is a powerful reminder that success isn't about where you start. It's about where you're willing to go. From the housing projects of Brooklyn to leading one of the world's most iconic brands, Howard's journey proves that with vision, hard work, and a little bit of courage, anything is possible. Howard Schultz didn't just transform the coffee industry, he transformed the way we connect with one another. His story serves as an inspiration for dreamers and doers everywhere, a testament to the power of perseverance and the belief that no dream is too big to achieve.